You are welcome back to Just Rock TV. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify your account. You need to verify your YouTube account so that you can get access to YouTube program. Once you verify your YouTube account, you will have access to custom thumbnail. You will be able to upload longer video in 15 minutes and you will be able to live stream on YouTube channel. But before we get started, if today is your first time and you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly click the red button down below. Very close to it, you will see a bell. Hit the bell so that anytime we upload new video, you will see the notification. We upload new video every weekend, so thank you. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube. Go to your YouTube channel, or you can write www.youtube.com, and at your left hand here you can see come to setting. At your left hand here you click on setting, and then it will bring you to a page like this. It asks us to put our email. Kindly write your email here and click next, and then it will ask you for your password, and put your password here and next, and it will bring you to a place like this. Then you click on channel status and future. Let's do that. Channel status and future. You click on channel, future and status, and it will bring you directly to here, and it will ask you to verify your account. But I want to show you another way you can do that. Let me show you another way you can do that. Another way to do that is to go to your YouTube channel, and at the right top at your right hand, at the top at your right hand, you will see your icon. Your own may be a photo in your icon, but this is the logo I'm using. So kindly press on that icon and scroll down and come down to setting. Once you press the setting, it's going to bring you to this place, and you click on channel and future. Channel status and future. You click on channel status and future. Let's do that, and it will bring you here to verify your account. This account has been verified already. There's another way to do that, which is very simple, and this will take you directly to the place. So what you need to do is to just go to your browser and write www.youtube.com/future, and once you type that, it will rightly bring you down here, and here you can put your email and your password of the account you want to verify, and you click next, and immediately it will bring you down to verify your account. So the next thing you need to do is to press on verify, and then it will ask you for your email and your password. Let's do that. And you press next, and it will bring you to a place like this. You select your country. How should we deliver the verification code to you? You choose your option, the one that you like most. Is it by message or by calling you? Let's click by text, and you add your number here. It's going to be sent on your phone, and you can add it on this page. So thank you for joining me for watching this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.